Hey guys, my name is Kitty here, and today we are opening an unboxing video. And I know this is for 3-year-olds, but it's fun, isn't it? Anyways, I'm 7, and let's open this thing up. So all you gotta do is open this. Pull this. As you might know, look at all these. It says A is lock button, B is for writing area, C is for erase button, D is for battery cover, E is for writing pen, and F is lanyard hole. So let's open this baby up. First, let's get the writing pen. As you can see, it's pink. I bought a pink one. And the stabilizer or something like that is invisible, because it's for the tablet. And here is the tablet here. As you can know, that it says welcome here. Welcome right over here, and there's a little heart saying yay, but not saying a. Anyways, the ears can move, and then the eye follows it. Even the other eye follows it. So you can have different directions at the same time. So now you have it. And also there's this little spot here for the pen. Let's just fit right over here. This is the placer of the writing pen, and here's the board. And this little button here is the restart button. See, now it's black. Now I'm gonna write something. Okay, now let's write something here. Oh wait, wrong one. Oops, wrong one. Oops. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm writing, but you know eventually. And this is my first unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. And make sure to like and subscribe if you love this or like this. Anyways, goodbye.